Before I start today's video, I just want to let you guys know that this is for educational purposes only. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get unlimited TikTok likes for completely free. Now, before I start today's video, I'm going to be giving away a $100 Visa gift card, which you can buy anything that you want with it. All you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below your TikTok username so I can send you the Visa gift card. So all you have to do for this method, guys, is make sure you go to the website crackedapps.me. It's on the screen right now, guys. Make sure you guys type that in correctly or else it will not work. So once you get to the website, you want to type in TikTok. And then you're going to want to download TikTok++. Now, this is going to pretty much allow us to get unlimited, views, likes. But for this scenario, I'm going to be doing it to get unlimited likes. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it in this tutorial so you guys can get unlimited TikTok likes. It's really crazy, guys. I was scrolling through YouTube the other night, and I found out about this site, and that's why I'm making this video for you guys so you know what to do. So it says human verification, says complete 2 free offers below, and to install the application on your device. So all we have to do, guys, is just pick an offer that we have to do, and then we just unlock the content locker. So you can see Sam Clubs. It says open it up for 30 seconds, then unlock it. And then Norton Secure VPN, all the apps, guys, that just tell you to open it for 30 seconds. That's what you guys want to do. You guys just want to use the easiest offers that say 30 seconds, and then that's really it. And then you can get free TikTok likes. So for this example, I'm going to click Norton Secure VPN and then click install. So you want to make sure you download this app, guys, correctly, or else it will not work. If you already had the app on your phone before you install this, make sure you guys delete it and then reinstall it again. So you want to click open, click agree, and then all you want to do is scroll around on the app for around 30 seconds to a minute so you can get your TikTok likes for completely free. All we have to do is just, scroll around it for 30 seconds so we can bypass human verification, guys. Just, do what I say in the video or else it will not work. But, yeah, this is all you have to do. Like I said, depending on your device or country, it might be a bit different for you, but just follow the steps that the app tells you to do. And it's only going to take you around 2 minutes to do, and then you will get your free TikTok likes. So we only need to do this for a couple more seconds, guys, and then we should be good. Alright, we should be good right about now. And after that, guys, all you have to do is just complete 3 more offers below, and then you will get your free TikTok likes. It's really simple to do, guys. Like I said, if you already have the apps on your phone, make sure you guys delete it, reinstall it, and then after that, you will be good. So I hope you guys really found this helpful. I found this website the other night when I was scrolling through YouTube, and that's why I'm making this video to help you guys, because there's a lot of scams out there. Just people trying to clickbait you, just trying to get views and subs. But I'm just here to make this video for you guys, to help you guys out, and, get some free TikTok likes. Like I said before, I'm going to be hosting that $100 Visa gift card giveaway. All you do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below your TikTok username. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Peace.